Have a look at these before and after images. The difference is incredible, right? You might think achieving results like this requires expensive software, a powerful computer, and hours of editing. But what if I told you you can enhance any blurry or old image with just one click in a few seconds? Yes, it's possible. I recently found an amazing online tool called BeautyPlus AI Image Enhancer, and it can transform blurry, low-quality, or old photos into stunning HD images directly from your browser. No downloads, no complicated setup, and no high-end PC required. To try it yourself, search Beauty Plus Image Enhancer on Google and open the official Beauty Plus result. It works directly in your browser, so there's nothing to install. Here is the Image Enhancer, which lets you to increase quality of any image in just a few clicks. Beauty Plus even provides different enhancement modes for different image types, including portraits, scenery, pets, text, and objects, so you always get the best possible results. Here you can already see an example how this image quality had been upgraded. It also supports batch enhancement, allowing you to enhance up to 50 images at once, which is perfect if you're working with a large collection. But for now, let's start with a single image. Click Upload Image. I'm using this blurry photo as an example. As you can see, the image quality is very poor, and even the girl's face isn't clearly visible. Now set the enhancement mode to Ultra HD, choose 2x upscaling, and click Enhance. Within just a few seconds, our image is ready. Now compare the before and after. The difference is amazing. The image is much sharper, facial details are clearer, and even the hair texture has been significantly improved. You can download the enhanced image with a single click. Now let's see how it performs on an old photograph. I'll upload this old faded image. As you can see, most of the details are barely visible. Again, we'll use the same settings and click Enhance. And here's the result. The photo becomes much clearer, with improved sharpness and restored details, making old memories look alive again. Let's try one more example using a scenery photo. Here's a low-quality landscape image where the trees and water lack detail. This time I'll change the enhancement mode to scenery, keep the upscaling at 2x, and click Enhance. Just a few seconds later, look at the difference. The trees, water, mountains, and overall image quality is much sharper and more vibrant. And that's Beauty Plus AI Image Enhancer. Whether you want to restore old family photos, sharpen blurry pictures, upscale landscapes, or enhance multiple images at once, Beauty Plus makes the entire process incredibly simple. Besides image enhancement, it also includes powerful AI tools like Video Enhancer, Watermark Remover, Object Remover, AI Photo Booth, and many more, all available directly in your browser. If you'd like to try it yourself, you'll find the Beauty Plus link at the top of the description. If you enjoyed this, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more such AI tutorials.